Yes, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about the topic body language. We have discussed a lot about body language in the previous um, videos. So now I would like to question few things, that is body language. What is body language? It is, yes, it is a kind of non-verbal cues. Okay, it can be eye contact, it can be a gesture, it can be a posture, it can be the facial expressions, it can be anything, proximity, haptics, or your voice and tone, it can be anything. Okay, so good. So what is meant by gesture? Gesture, yes. So what is gesture? Gesture is, yes, gestures are something where like the different kinds of movements that we make using hands. Okay, so posture, what is posture? Posture is, yes, posture is the standing and sitting position of a person, any position. So standing and sitting position of any person. And eye contact, what is eye contact? Eye contact is, yeah, eye contact is not having direct contact with a person, not just looking into a person's eye continuously. It is eye contact is grabbing attention of the group or the individual. Okay, so in order to grab the attention of the person, we have eye contact. So grabbing attention creates a kind of interest and in a conversation or in a lecture or any kind of speech that is delivered or presentation or anything. So first thing, the foremost important thing in body language is grabbing attention of the audience. So having eye contact is very important. So you can have a kind of just eye contact where you just look around everyone, look around the audience, not just concentrating to your left side or right side of the audience. It is about grabbing the attention of everyone. So just have a glance around you. Okay, so that kind of practice is very important. That will create an effective communication. And facial expressions, yeah, facial expression, can you all just tell me a few kind of facial expressions and a best example for facial expressions that we share nowadays? Yes, that is emojis. Yeah, that is correct. So we do share during a chat and while we text, we just to express a feeling we use so many emojis. Okay, so those are that expressions that we express with a long face, with a smiling face, or a person who's crying, or with a crown. You have so many. So each and every smiley which expresses a meaning. It is not a feeling. It is not just a image. Okay, so facial expression is also again. So like while I talk, I should be aware that what exactly my facial expressions are. When I'm very serious, how my eyes are, how do I look, like do I look very pleasant, do I carry a kind of a smile always, yes, or I am very aggressive, or how do I, like my facial expressions, yes. So that is very important. That plays a major role in uh, communicating our messages. So messages, communication plays a major role where verbal communication is not the thing where we convey messages. It is also non-verbal communication that plays more than verbal communications. So when I tell you please come here, so I just don't convey the words alone. I say please come here. So I use my hand, I use my like hands gesture. Yes, that is gestures. And I sometimes I might raise my eyebrows, or with a pleasant smile I can just call them, please come. So the facial expression with the gesture, uh, with the like the posture, so together all the body movements. Yes, so facial expression, eye contact, posture, gesture, so everything simultaneously, like it keeps on in our communication, whatever we like speak or express to somebody. So these body language, and the facial expression, eye contact, gesture, posture, proximity, haptics, your voice, your tone, and the way you dress, okay, these are very very important in body language. So why you need to maintain, or why you need to have all those things? So as they say, the face is the index of mind. Yes, so whatever the inner feeling, the face expresses. If I'm sad, even if I pretend to smile, sometimes my eye may smile, but my facial expression shows that I am sad. Likewise, so body language is the strongest thing, that where we cannot hide something. But if you know the non-verbal cues, you can be very conscious, and you can like act accordingly, where and how you're supposed to react. Okay, if you know those things, you can make your body perfect, that is your non-verbal communication, very perfect, and the other person will understand it very easily. Okay, so these are the few things that I would like to just discuss in today's class. If you are like, I've just elaborated what it is, so let us learn it in depth in the next sessions. Thank you.